In this video, I'm going to show you the best AI tools every designer should use in 2026. These tools can save you hours of work, improve your creativity, and even help you earn more as a freelancer. Let's get started. Tool number 1, Adobe Firefly. First, we have Adobe Firefly. This is one of the most powerful AI tools for designers because it integrates directly with Photoshop. One of its best features is generative fill. For example, you can select any area of your image, type a simple prompt like add mountains in the background, and Photoshop will generate realistic results instantly. You can also remove objects, extend backgrounds, or completely change scenes in seconds. If you already use Photoshop, this tool is a must-have. Tool number 2, Canva Magic Studio. Next is Canva Magic Studio. This tool is perfect for fast and easy design work. If you create thumbnails, Instagram posts, or marketing graphics, Canva's AI can save you a lot of time. It can automatically remove backgrounds, resize your design for different platforms, and even generate layouts for you. It's very beginner-friendly, but professionals also use it for quick projects. Tool number 3, Midjourney. Now let's talk about Midjourney. Midjourney is an advanced AI image generator that creates stunning visuals from simple text prompts. You can type something like futuristic cyberpunk poster design with neon lights, and it will generate high-quality artistic results. Many designers use Midjourney to create concept art, backgrounds, and creative inspiration before starting a real project in Photoshop. Tool number 4, Ideogram. Another powerful tool is Ideogram. One common problem with AI image generators is that text inside images looks messy or incorrect. Ideogram solves this problem. It creates images with clear and readable text. This makes it perfect for poster designs, typography-based graphics, and YouTube thumbnails. If your design depends on strong text visuals, this tool is very useful. Tool number 5, Runway ML. Last but not least, we have Runway ML. Runway ML is an AI-powered video editing platform. You can remove backgrounds from videos without using a green screen, generate visual effects, and even create short videos from text prompts. If you're a content creator or motion designer, this tool can completely change your workflow.